Welcome everyone. Let's jump into the art of building long-term communication habits. The kind that truly stick and transform your interactions every day.
Yep, exciting stuff. So, what's the big idea here? Is it just about learning techniques like active listening or something more?
Exactly, it's not just about learning a set of skills, like active listening, persuasive speaking, negotiation, or even emotional intelligence. It's about um, turning those techniques into regular habits that become part of your everyday lifestyle.
Mm-hmm. So, it's like you can have the best techniques, but if you don't practice them consistently, they just fade away, right?
Right on, it's like if you try mastering everything at once without a routine, it won't sink in. Consistency, doing it daily, is what builds true impact.
Yeah, that makes sense. When I think about it, I see leaders who not only offer brilliant one off moments, but rather steadily communicate well over time, and that builds real trust.
Absolutely. A leader who consistently listens, gives thoughtful feedback, and presents clear messages basically earns more trust than someone who's just brilliant on stage once in a while.
Mm-hmm, exactly. And there are common pitfalls too, right? What like missteps do most people stumble on when trying to make communication a permanent part of their lives?
Yep, there are four major mistakes. First, expecting overnight change, as if with a magic switch, flipping their communication game. Second, focusing so much on technique that they overlook the need for consistency.
Right.
Then third, skipping self-reflection and feedback. And lastly, letting fear or discomfort actually stop them from practicing.
I wonder though, could too much self reflection ever become counterproductive? I mean, when you get stuck obsessing over each conversation, you might end up not communicating at all.
That's a fair point. It's important to strike a balance, not to criticize every little slip, but to use reflection constructively. Kind of like um, checking in with yourself without getting bogged down.
Yeah, got it. So, what's the game plan for building these long term habits then? What's the core framework?
There are three core principles that really stand out. Number one, start small. Don't try to overhaul every aspect at once. Begin with one simple habit like listening actively for a week.
Yep. And number two?
Number two is practice daily, even if it's just a quick 5 to 10 minute session where you summarize what you just heard in a conversation.
Mm-hmm. Sounds simple yet effective. And the third principle?
Third is reflect and adjust. Regularly ask yourself, did I listen fully today? Did I clearly communicate my ideas? This kind of self-check lets you fine-tune your habits as you go.
Right on. Interesting. It's like you set micro goals that fit into your daily routine, then review if they're really working.
Exactly. And speaking of micro goals, there are some practical strategies worth mentioning. Strategy one, set micro goals. For example, today, I will ask one open-ended question in every conversation. Small but measurable actions that keep you on track.
Yeah, I can see that working. And what about reminders? Because I sometimes forget about my best intentions amid a hectic day.
That brings us to strategy two, use reminders. Sticky notes, phone alerts, or even journaling can remind you to practice those communication skills. It's like having a little coach nudging you throughout the day.
Clever idea. Nice. And I guess recording and reviewing oneself is another trick up the sleeve.
Spot on. That's strategy three. Recording your conversations or presentations lets you see both what you're doing right and where you need improvement. It's like watching a replay to figure out how to do better next time.
Right. And then there's seeking feedback from others, right? Sometimes an outside perspective is the best way to notice habits you might miss yourself.
Absolutely, that's strategy four. Seek feedback from others. Ask colleagues, mentors, or friends how you're doing. It's about ensuring your effort is making the intended impact.
Definitely. Finally, I suppose celebrating progress is key because, hey, small wins add up.
Exactly. That's strategy five. Celebrate progress. Recognize the small wins, like successfully asking clarifying questions or staying calm during a challenging conversation. Positive reinforcement makes the whole process enjoyable rather than feeling like a
Yeah,
chore.
absolutely. It seems these strategies aren't just theoretical, they have real life applications too. Can you give an example?
Sure, let's take a workplace scenario. A manager who practices active listening daily can build a strong rapport with the team in just a month. Or in friendships, simply clarifying conversations regularly can enhance trust and understanding. Even in family settings, showing constant empathy can reduce conflicts and deepen bonds.
Mm-hmm. That's really enlightening. It's like every conversation, no matter how small, is an opportunity to practice and grow.
Exactly. Communication isn't a one-off skill. It's a lifelong journey. Every conversation, whether at work, with friends, or with family, is a chance to reinforce these skills.
Yeah, indeed. And by turning these techniques into consistent habits, you naturally boost your career, relationships, and overall confidence.
That's the big takeaway. It's not about a flash of brilliance. It's about daily, deliberate practice that builds a solid foundation over time.
Right, I see that. One thing I do wonder though, what if someone feels overwhelmed starting all these habits at once? Isn't there a risk of burnout?
Great question. It's really important to start small. Don't try to change everything simultaneously. Choose one habit, work on it for a while, celebrate the progress, and then gradually build on it. That's how you avoid burnout and make sure you're genuinely integrating these skills.
Makes so much sense. I appreciate that approach. It's so pragmatic and mindful. Starting small allows the habit to form naturally, almost like planting a seed and watching it grow gradually.
Exactly. It's like nurturing a garden. You water it every day, and over time you see brilliant blooms.
Yep. Wrapping up, it appears that effective communication isn't about hitting it out of the park once. It's about a consistent, conscious effort to improve.
Absolutely. Build your habits, stay consistent, reflect on your progress, and seek feedback. These steps ensure that the communication techniques you learn actually transform your everyday interactions.
Right on, exactly. So here's to better conversations, deeper connections, and a lifelong journey of growth. Thanks for breaking it down. It really puts things into perspective.
Yep, every conversation brings an opportunity to improve. Keep practicing, celebrate your small wins, and watch your communication and life transform.